Welcome! If you've ever shared photos, GIFs, or videos on Discord and wondered why they don't always show up the way you want, today's guide is for you. In this video, I'll show you how to make sure your media displays automatically when you upload it directly on the Discord app for PC using the latest update. Let's get started. First, open up your Discord app on your PC. Once you're logged in, take a look at the bottom left corner of your screen. You'll see your profile picture and username. Right next to them, there's a small gear icon. This is your user settings. Click on that gear icon to open up your settings menu. Now that you're in the settings, you'll see a list of options on the left side. Scroll down until you find the section labeled Chat. Click on Chat to open up more options related to your messaging experience. Inside the chat settings, look for the section called Display Images. Here's where you'll find the feature that controls how media is shown in your chats. You'll see an option that says when uploaded directly to Discord. By default, this might be turned off, which means images and videos you upload might not display automatically in the chat. To fix this, simply enable the option when uploaded directly to Discord. Just click the toggle so it turns on. That's it. Now, whenever you upload an image, GIF, or video directly into a Discord chat, it will display right away, making your conversations more lively and interactive. This update makes it easier than ever to share your favorite moments with friends, whether it's a funny meme, a quick screenshot, or a memorable video clip. No more clicking extra links or waiting for files to load. Your media will be front and center for everyone to see. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to share it with your friends so they can make the most out of Discord's new features too. Thanks for watching and enjoy sharing your media on Discord.